Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Satyendra Arts and today I'm going to start a new blog on arts. So this is the first tutorial. We will start an introduction. So there's nothing like good teaching when you start a new project. It's a wonderful when there's someone there who can give you direction, like answering your question, keep you on track, and after you have mastered, tried and true methods, encourage you to experiment with new techniques. So when you're able to confer with more than just one teacher, you can benefit from the fresh observation and ideas each instructor has to offer. So every individual has its own techniques. So this is all about your experiment and broader the perspective you are observing. So this kind of thing can inspire your own ideas to stimulate. Okay, so let's start.